If you're looking for an easy way to track customer interactions in Folk CRM, you're in the right place. In this quick video, I'll show you how to seamlessly manage and follow your customer relationships, making sure you never miss an important touchpoint. By the end, you'll know how to leverage Folk CRM's powerful features to enhance your customer experience and streamline your workflow. Now, let's dive right into it. Tracking customer interactions in Folk CRM is straightforward, and the first thing you'll want to do is get familiar with the interface. When you log into Folk, you're greeted with a clean, user-friendly dashboard. You can easily navigate through your contacts, see your recent activities, and track every interaction. To track customer interactions, Folk CRM has a unique feature called Smart Tags. These tags help you categorize and label every touchpoint with your customers. For example, after a call or an email, you can assign a tag like follow-up needed or interested in product A. This keeps everything organized and allows you to quickly find the information you need. The next step is logging interactions. Every time you reach out to a customer, whether it's through email, call, or even a meeting, you can log these interactions manually. Folk CRM automatically syncs with your email and calendar, so whenever you send an email or set up a meeting, the system tracks it without you having to lift a finger. For those who prefer automation, Folk CRM also offers a workflow feature. This allows you to automate certain actions based on triggers. For example, you can set up a workflow to automatically create a follow-up task whenever a customer opens an email or clicks on a link you sent. This ensures you're always on top of customer interactions without having to track them manually. Folk CRM also integrates seamlessly with other tools, so if you're already using apps like Slack or Google Calendar, you can keep everything in sync. This allows for even greater ease when tracking interactions, ensuring nothing falls through the cracks. Another key feature in Folk CRM is the Notes section. After every interaction, you can jot down important details that you need to remember for later. Whether it's a customer's preference, a product they're interested in, or follow-up instructions, all the details are saved directly in their profile. Folk CRM also gives you a 360-degree view of each customer, making it easy to track the full history of all interactions. You'll be able to see the emails they've received, the calls you've made, and any other correspondence. This is perfect for providing personalized service, knowing exactly what your customers need at all times. And the best part, you can use Folk CRM for free, including the features I just mentioned. I've got a link in the description below that gives you exclusive access to an extended free trial with added bonuses. This is a great way to get hands-on with the platform and see if it's the right fit for your business needs. To wrap it up, tracking customer interactions in Folk CRM doesn't have to be complicated. With features like smart tags, seamless integrations, and automated workflows, it's easier than ever to stay on top of your customer relationships. Plus, don't forget to take advantage of our extended free trial with the exclusive link in the description. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video helps you make the most out of Folk CRM.